With no matches and no Champions League fixtures this week, construction activity continues without interruption. The site remains busy, with crews working at full pace and visible progress taking shape across the stadium. From structural elements to exterior systems, this uninterrupted schedule is allowing key construction phases to move forward efficiently. Let's take a closer look at the latest on-site progress and see what's changed across the works. If you want to stay updated with the latest news and developments related to FC Barcelona and Camp Nou, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any important updates. Within the Tribune area, work continues around the staircase structures. Multiple elevated platforms are active, with crews focused on interior structural tasks, including alignment, preparation, and installation work along the stair cores. While the surrounding Tribune interior appears relatively calm, these staircase zones show steady progress, indicating ongoing interior system installations and structural finishing works. Beneath the Tribune, glass installation has resumed at the diamond area, with 4 large panels now in place on both sides of the main entrance. Only the upper glass sections above the doors remain pending. At the diamond corner, crews are fixing the upper glazing supports into the black structural beams using elevated platforms, showing continued progress toward enclosing the diamond retail area. In the south goal sector, several beams previously painted white have now been repainted black, while others still show white markings and require final coating. At the same time, multiple elevated platforms are active around the staircase cores and elevator structures, with a black crane positioned below, preparing to lift structural components into the interior areas. Workers are also visible on prefabricated staircases that now reach the second cantilever level, confirming continued vertical progress in this sector. While no new lamellas are visible on the main facade supports, activity has resumed in the false ceiling area. A red lamella is actively being lifted and installed above the support brackets. This explains why facade progress may appear limited from the front, while actual installation continues in less visible ceiling sections. A major update is visible along the lateral staircases. Large metal panels have been installed to enclose the stair structures. Installation speed has been notably fast, with nearly the entire staircase now covered, leaving only a small upper section incomplete. This suggests the same system will soon be applied across all stadium staircases. Scaffolding remains in place for the upcoming installation of radial beams. The third compression ring pillar has already been lifted and installed, with no complications reported. Meanwhile, preparation has begun on the fourth compression ring pillar. Workers are installing the same surrounding components used on the previous pillars, indicating imminent lifting operations. Large quantities of lamellas and structural components remain stored across the lateral zones. These stockpiles are expected to be installed progressively, particularly around the corner areas where facade work is scheduled next. Interior activity is audible throughout this section, confirming substantial work beyond visible exterior progress. At the north goal, new structural pieces have arrived by truck and are being unloaded. Multiple platforms are active as crews install glazing supports similar to those already completed in other stadium areas. Protective materials are being applied to beams. Although lamellas are present in this sector, installation cannot proceed until the necessary anchor points are installed on the black beams. These connection elements are still pending, delaying visible facade progress in this area. Once anchors are in place, lamella installation is expected to accelerate. Overall, the stadium continues advancing steadily. Key highlights include resumed glass installation at the diamond area, rapid staircase panel installation, active compression ring preparation, and renewed lamella placement in ceiling zones. With no match interruptions this week, upcoming days are expected to bring visible progress, particularly in facade and structural installations. That brings us to today's construction update. If you found it useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more regular updates from the stadium works.